Hi everyone and welcome to this session. In this session we are going to discuss about topic tinning from unit 6 corrosion science. The learning outcomes from this session will be students should be able to define hot dipping, then students should be able to define tinning. Students should be able to discuss the process of tinning and students should be able to discuss application and limitations of tinning. Now, before going to the tinning, we should know what is hot dipping. So, hot dipping is a process of having metallic coating in which the base metal, here base metal means the metal on which coating is to be carried out. So, in case of hot dipping, the base metal is coated by the coating metal by immersing base metal into the molten mass of coating metal. The coating metal is a low melting metal than the base metal. So, in order to have a hot dipping process, the coating metal should have low melting point than the base metal and there should be a sufficient melting point difference between the coating metal and base metal so as to have a good kind of coating on the base metal by the process of hot dipping. In case of hot dipping method, zinc, tin, lead used as a coating metal while the iron, steel, copper are used as a base metal. The molten mass of coating metal in case of hot dipping is covered by the molten flux layer. Generally, zinc chloride is used as a flux. This flux is used to clean the base metal and to prevent the oxidation of molten coating metal. Here, the zinc chloride flux enhances the adhering of base metal and coating metal. Further, this article is passed through the molten tin which is maintained at 240 degrees Celsius. After passing the article through the molten tin, we will have tin coating on the iron which is further passed through the palm oil compartment. The palm oil layer on the tin layer formation takes place and this palm oil layer avoids the oxidation of tin during the cooling process. The molten tin bath is covered with the flux to avoid the oxidation of tin. Now, here is the diagrammatic representation of the tinning process. So, first, iron article or iron sheet is to be coated by the tin. This process consisting of three compartments. First compartment is the zinc chloride flux, then molten tin which is maintained at 240 degrees Celsius and palm oil compartment. So, the iron sheet which is to be coated by the tin is first passed through the zinc chloride flux, then it is passed through the molten tin and after having tin coating it is further passed through the palm oil compartment. So, here flux will improve the adhering quality of the iron sheet. Then molten tin will have tin coating on the base metal and further on that tin coating there will be a coat of palm oil which will avoid the oxidation of the molten tin during the process. So, that is what the galvanization process is. So, applications of tinning. Tin containers are used to store the food material as it do not form poisonous products. Then tin utensils are used to cook the food and refrigeration utensils. Copper wires are first tin before the insulation as it avoids the attack of sulfur on the copper. Then disadvantages: the colored food stored in the tin can gets bleached and hence lacquering is needed after tinning. So the tin container should be lacquered from the inner side before storing the food. So in summary, we have discussed about what is hot dipping, then what is tinning, then process of tinning, and applications and limitations of tinning. So thank you for watching this video.